In this video, we're going to explore how you can put in the border or how can you use the property border left width. We're going to add on the left side a border and control the width of that border line. Alright, so to do this, all we have to do is we have to put in here this, or we have to use this property and give this declaration. We say border left width, and then in here we could say, for example, 15 pixels. Once we did this, we can save this, and if we refresh, nothing happens here as well. Why nothing happens is because we didn't assign yet a type of border here. So what we can do here right now is we're going to put in here a new border. We can say here border left style, and this one will be dashed. And if we save this now it will extract this, it will recognize there is a border, and it will overrule the default 3 pixel size or 3 pixel width with the 15 pixel width on the left side. So if we refresh now, you can see now we have a 15 pixel on the left, we have a 5 pixel on the top, and a 10 pixel at the very bottom, and we have all different designs here. Alright, so this is the way how you can do it and how you can control the left border width. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.